parang gusto ko munang kumunta na ng manas ito, hindi ito bola. Pero parang hindi naman ata ganun ang topic namin today. Hey, this is Alan Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with Miss my kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And you are watching the Hitty Show. Ang tayo na talaga yung Showbiz Edition. All of a sudden, we're like sounding so kolehiyala because we're like talking about Chris Aquino, who's in the news again because people are saying that she has gained weight. And that from her usual 86, she's now 112 pounds. But, on the other side of the planet and the equation, ang mga nagmamataray at mga nagmamaganda, hinasabi naman, hindi raw naman ito pagtaba, kundi manas kung manas. What say you, Mara? Nananawalig ka bang dumagdag talaga ang kanyang timbang? O talagang siya ay minamanas?
Whatever.
Wala kang care?
Ha?
Wala kang care kung nadagdagan siya ng weight or minamanas siya? After, right now, she's like, according to her latest IG post, and iba may namang sinasagot siya, parang she already has 11 autoimmune diseases.
From the original 9.
From the original, ilan ba yung originally? 5 lang?
5 lang, oo.
For original 5, naging 11. So, ang gusto kong malaman, merong Guinness World Book Record ba ng padarimihan ng autoimmune diseases?
That I don't know.
Baka mamaya mag-win na si Chris doon. Diba?
Oh my
Kasi parang every news report yung nadadagdagan. And in a way, I worry about that because even if I saw her pictures that added more weight, nakakatakot pa rin yung katotohanan that imbis na bawasan, nadadagdagan. And supposedly the place where she is now, na may dagat, may ganon, may everything, nakakapagpalakas sa kanya. Bakit dumadami yung autoimmune disease?
Di ba parang contradictory to what she is trying to imply?
Okay.
Parang she's improving physically because she added weight.
Mm-mm.
Pero added din yung
Yung sakit.
yung sakit.
Mm-mm.
So where does what do we believe?
Ano?
She's improving or she is deteriorating or it's a complicated combination of both.
Parang feeling ko maybe it's a complicated combination of both.
'Di ba kasi when you're improving, physically you're improving.
Mm.
Pero technically, yung illness mo improving din kasi dumadami. 'Di ba? It should be addressed, 'di ba? Parang
At nakakaloka na parang sa latest report niya is that naka-wheelchair na siya ngayon. 'Di ba? Hindi na raw siya nakakatayong mag-isa. Kailangan talaga niyang wheelchair to be mobile. So sa akin, parang something is amiss in the storytelling. If you're gaining weight, tama ka, bakit dumadami yung sakit? If you're gaining weight, bakit bigla kang kailangan i-wheelchair? If you're gaining weight, ano yung mga gamot mo nagiging effective, ano yung hindi?
at saka hindi eh. There seems to be, at observation ko lang there seems to be a template whenever Chris posts something.
Template meaning, paka-expound.
Palala yung sakit niya.
Okay.
Before, di ba? 4 lang yon.
Naging 5.
Tapos naging 5, naging 6, 7,
Ngayon, 11
8, 9.
na.
From 9 naging 11.
Palala, okay.
Deteriorating, ibig sabihin, di ba? Number 2, pare-pareho ang template eh. Number 2, lagi siyang humihingi at nagpapasalamat sa prayer warriors niya.
Yes.
Di ba?
Which is, dapat lang naman talaga. Because talagang marami naman tao nagdadasal for her.
Number 3, she has always something new to say.
Mm.
Pag nagpo-post siya, like, inamin niya noong February, break na kami ng jowa ko. Di ba? Binuking niya yung dahilan na hindi siya, yung jowa niya nakipag-break. Di ba? Dahil hindi na siya matagalan. Ganon, di ba? Tapos, the next thing we knew, biglang sinabi naman niya, pinapasahuran niya yung ex-boyfriend. During those time na ginagamot siya.
Parang binabayaran ng professional services sa doctor.
Kahit na they are in a romantic relationship. Di ba? Pangatlo, yung sumagot yung anak.
Nag-recant.
Nag-recant, di ba? Pang-apat, di ba pumunta si Mama Loy?
Mm.
Actually, si Mama Loy ang ang nakascoop na gain weight na si si Chris.
Si
Kasi
Mama Loy na post.
siyang una
Oo.
Siya ang
Siya
unang
nakakita.
napuntahan niya Di ba? Na siya ang unang nagsabi na, ay, from this to that, nag-gain siya ng weight, ganon. So, itong latest sa kanya, pinick up na lang nung kumbaga, inano na lang, yung development na lang nung post ni Mama Loy.
Ako, ang isa pang curious ako, if you have 11 autoimmune diseases, should you really allow yourself to be visited? Paano pag si Mama Loy, kailangan ba siyang i-vaccinate, maligo ng alcohol, tumungga ng whatsoever, to make sure na wala siya dalang virus? Kasi napaka-sensitive at delicate na nung condition ni Chris.
Autoimmune.
Oo, autoimmune. Tapos makikita mo, magkasama sila sa kwarto.
Yeah.
Diba? So parang, nag-iisip tuloy yung mga ibang tao na baka naman wala talagang sakit.
Or, merong sakit pero not that
Severe.
Oo.
Contrary to what she's reporting. But kasi ayoko namang isipin na mandali ko paniwalaan na ini-invention na yung pagkakasakit na to. Because the more you invent it, the more nadadami yan.
Ang lang kasi nun.
Kasi di ba parang, if you are that frail, why would you even allow visitors?
Eto lang sasabihin ko ha.
Oh.
Have we ever seen her doctors explaining kung ano yung sakit niya? Di ba wala naman?
It's always,
not a single doctor? Di ba? Kasi pagka ganon, dapat you're not a doctor. So dapat yung may clinical explanation, dapat it should be done by a doctor.
Yung mga sinusulat niyang mahahaba na may mga medical terms.
For her to be believable, akin lang to ha. It's the same ha. Kasi yun ang naano ko sa kanya Yun ang naano ko.
Bakit yung medical bulletin niya, hindi doktor ang nagbabasa?
Oo, di ba? Yung mga people in government na nagkasakit. Di ba may doktor, ay, ito, ano niya.
Siya,
nagbabasa. Lalo na siya, A-lister siya, di ba? Dapat, to give credence to what she is claiming na itong sakit niya, dapat may explanation yung doctor. Why is there nothing of that sort? Wala naman ganun, di ba?
Okay.
Oo. Pagka nag-post siya, laging may paandar. The latest paandar was, Bimbi is taking care of her Instagram account.
Yes. Bimbi is now answering now.
Di ba nag-Q&A, di ba?
Doon niya sinagot na wala siyang cancer.
Oo. Di ba wala siya? Oo, yung mga ganon. Alam mo, I have to say this. Chris is trying very hard to be relevant.
Well, maybe...
Kasi, alam mo, may mga nagsasabi nga Miss Chris, wag na po kayong mag-post para hindi kayo na-stress, chuchu, di ba? Pero she doesn't heed that advice. From time to time, gusto niya, chuk.
Because she always believes she owes it to her public to let them know what's happening to her.
Mas maganda siguro yung biglain na I'm now 5
Or better,
diseases.
from what you are saying, kesa siya ang magsabi of what is happening to her, let her doctors do the talking. Para mas may gravitas.
Yeah.
Mas
May credence.
May credence. Saka talagang ma-explain na bakit po siya tumataba pero may 11 autoimmune diseases. Kasi napakalaking nun, di ba? Parang two separate.
At saka hindi If I were Chris, I will use yung diseases niya to inform
And educate people. Na ito dapat yung
ngayon,
gawin. Ito dapat yung iwasan.
Di ba? Yung gano'n, dapat yun. Wala naman sinasabi siyang gano'n She just informs you na, eto na, may sakit na naman akong bago. Ito, hindi niya yung sinasabi kung paano nakuha. Di ba? Hindi niya sinasabi na, what did I do to my body to para
deserve all this.
Di ba? Para makuha ko to. Di ba? Hindi niya sinasabi, mga fans ko, mga followers ko, you have to refrain from doing this
and that, avoid this and that.
Ngayon, di ba? Nakatira siya sa
seaside
seaside
place.
resort, di ba? Hindi niya sinasabi kung paano nakatulong yun sa kanyang estado ngayon ng
Mm.
pangkalusugan.
Oh.
'Di ba? Hindi naman niya sinasabi eh.
Mm.
'Di ba? Nabalitaan mo ba?
Mhm.
Na sinabi niya, "I get help!" Mm.
But I think it's like one of her wishes is to live in a seaside community, and I think the fresh air of the sea helps her.
But she did not elaborate. She did not 'di ba? Basta alam lang natin na nagpunta siya sa resort.
Alam mo, one of these days, I'm sure pinapakinggan niya tayo, nanonood siya sa atin, yung mga suggestion mo gagawin niya.
Talaga?
Oo.
Oh my God!
Knowing her, di ba? Napaka-bright po naman ng mga ideas mo na dapat medical doctorate mo salita at dapat
Oo.
turuan mo ang mga fans mo para ingatan lalo ang aming mga kalusugan.
Oo, you should be the tawag dito, the standard by which yung mga may ganyang sakit.
You should be the paragon.
Oo. You should
on-
be the model, di
The
ba?
model on
Or
telling people to please realize that health is really wealth.
only when she does that will she become more relevant.
And on that note, this is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with me is my very relevant kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brasas.
And you are watching the Kitty Show, ang tayo na talakayan showbiz edition.